What's up, YouTube? It's the kid KS. Come to you live from Arizona. We got 10 moringa trees right here. And like and subscribe. And wow, there's my other one that I couldn't find. So I was looking for my fifth one, and I found it. It's right there, right under this one. Wow. Well, I guess we'll hop to that one pretty soon. Got the dirt and everything. Got dirt right here. And then I planted this one in here because I couldn't find what I was looking for, which is right here. We'll do that in a little bit. Or maybe, I don't know. Anyways, so what I did here is, as you can tell, these dead leaves are yellow. Well, these are yellow leaves. And I cut them off from there's more yellow leaves, you can tell now. So yeah, there's a bunch of yellow leaves I cut, and yeah, so I just want to show you. Well, first let's get to this beautiful big plants. Yeah, shall we? So there's the cactus, the big giant cactus behind this tree, palm tree. We'll go over there in a little bit and see, check that out. And then we got this in my backyard. Well, I didn't plant this, it's the owner's. But anyways, we got this big tree, this big thorn. Let's hug it, yeah? Let's all hug it and have a good day, yeah? And then go to the hospital because of it. Anyways, maybe, who knows. So anyways, this is my backyard. It's an open concept. And yeah, so nice big stuff, beautiful sky, and my hummingbird feeder. Where's that bird at? Oh yeah, there's no bird. There used to be like a bird picture up there. But anyway, my nice hummingbird feeder. We'll check that out. That's gonna be interesting. See these little flower things, fake ones. So yeah, hope everything's going good with you guys and girls and other boys and girls being good. Dirty balcony. Anyways, so what I did, as you see, these right here. Where is it? Okay, so they were like this, right? So that's what I did, is they're like this, like that. So I cut that back, and now I am growing it like this. This is day 2, cause I got it last night. Oh, was it last night? Yeah, I think it's last night. I got these 10 moringa trees. I got these 10 moringa trees right here, as you see. And we're gonna name them. Each plant we're gonna name them, and one of them is gonna be my favorite. So yeah, and I'll give you a close up on the moringa trees, and hopefully this one will do better, cause the seeds, you know, I tried from seeds, as you all know. I failed it. So I went ahead and bought some trees. These small trees. So this is like the next up from seed. So it goes to seed and then goes to kind of like this, and then after that, hopefully it'll get bigger, like the palm tree. Well, not that big, but yeah, here we go. This is one of my favorite ones right here. They're all my favorite because they're all moringa trees. So we're gonna do some maybe like where we drop the leaves, where we hang it. And yeah, where I hang the trees from, and see some new leaves coming up pretty soon. Right here in little cracks. Let's see if I can get close up to it. Yeah, see a little tiny nub right there. Well, yeah, this is gonna be great. My first leaves, cause I didn't grow it, but hey, I'm gonna start like this for now until I learn how to do good on the seeds. So yeah, they come from seeds and directly to this, and now I have it. So yeah, this is a little bit crooked, but it's okay. I'm gonna have to cut this yellow part off, but anyways, it's good. And I'm gonna cut that maybe off if it doesn't do good on the sides, right here, right here. If it doesn't do good, but this middle one is going good. So yeah, and hope the COVID-19 is doing okay for you and you're surviving it. People that are sick or ill or having bad times with COVID-19, I wish you safety, well, and better. And you should try some Moringa. Moringa oleifera has vitamins, helps your hair, eyes, skin, body, and just everything has lots of beneficial stuff. Has more protein than certain stuff, more healthy stuff for your body, and has protein, has more like a lot of good stuff in it, you know. And here's the next step. I'm going to show you what I got, because it comes with all these 10 comes with a package. So I'm going to show you what I got in a little bit. I'm going to pause it, and then I'm going to show you, because it's from a company. But for now it is that is. So yeah, Moringa trees. And soon I'll get aloe vera, because I had some, but in California, as you all know me from, I had to not take it home, not take it where I'm at right now, because it didn't fit in the car or the truck. Anyways, I miss you all. There's a hummingbird right there. Hummingbird. We're just gonna sit right here. Right there. Right there is a hummingbird. I'm gonna kick back and watch out for a little bit. That's great news. And sorry if it's a little bit wobbly because it's on my cell phone. And yeah. Oh, bummer. Well, at least you guys see a hummingbird. Didn't expect that. At 11:55 a.m. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that sucks. I didn't get to see it goes up there. Well, you saw the hummingbird. Well, that's a good part of the video. Well, anyways, let you know it comes. So when this flowers, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. And I got the Primera plant right here. That's cool. Like and subscribe. You know, show some love. Right now it's going through hard times. I can't really make any videos as much as I want to. Because first, well, kind of new to Arizona still. And so I'm still learning about certain places. But if you know any good places around here to film, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, these yellow things. Okay, well, to cut to the chase, I'm gonna pause it and going to show you what I have. Or if I can't see it, then I will show you pictures of it after this video. So, oh, there it is right there. A hummingbird. Right in there. If I can find it, so. Oh, I see right there. Where is it? Right there. On top of my finger. That's cool. That's the little hangout area. He's right there. Maybe I kick back down here for a little bit. Oh, and there he goes. Yeah, we definitely get some nice shots off of this hummingbird feeder. I had one, but I had to buy a new one from Lowe's. And yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of plants. We're gonna do basil plants. We're gonna do a lot of plants around. We're gonna do a lot of plants. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pause it. I keep saying it, but I'm gonna do it now. Okay? So next time you'll see some nice stuff. You'll see some tea. You'll see some seeds. You'll see some other stuff. And there's a ladybug. Oh, I can't see, it's so thin. But anyways, yeah. Love you all.